Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. You need the latest TikTok version and an active account signed in. Open your profile, tap the 3 lines to reach Settings and Privacy, then go into Privacy. Once there, find Profile Views. This is the control. You will see a toggle and a history panel. Turn the toggle off to stop others seeing your profile view. This prevents TikTok from logging and displaying visits. Make sure to wait for the toggle to show a confirmation before moving on. After disabling profile views, continue by reducing related signals that reveal activity. Go back to Privacy and turn off Last Active and Activity Status. This lowers clues that hint at visiting behavior. Next, suggest your account to others. Turn it off to limit discovery via mutual contacts. Once done, clear any connected third-party apps and unlink social accounts if you want stricter isolation. These steps together reduce metadata cues. Make sure settings show as now finalize. Force close and reopen TikTok, then confirm privacy. Right arrow profile views is still off. If settings revert, clear cache via settings and privacy. Right arrow free up space or reinstall the app. This often fixes persistence bugs. If toggling fails because of account restrictions, switch to a personal or private account and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if others still see your visits, log out and back in on a second device to verify. Sometimes device sync delays cause stale visibility. Repeat toggles after sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.